Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi Rassam. I'm a food blogger, I'm a chef, and I'm working now in the food waste as well. So today we're doing one of the celebrity food recipe. She's from Bangladesh and her follower in Facebook 824k, and which recipe today we're doing is actually basic chicken recipe, but she got 8.4 million views in this recipe. So I just want to see how it goes in this recipe. I'm gonna follow exactly how she done. So let's go. So what actually we're using here, we're using coriander seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 2 bay leaf, 2 dry chili, and kind of like a half star anise, because I don't like too much star anise smell, that's why I just put a half. Another thing is the chili is up to you how much you like. So we put in a medium heat. We're just gonna dry them up just to get a nice color and nice smell. So when you see the color is changed, you're gonna take it out and we're gonna grind it. As you see, I done this, but anyway I need to grind with onion. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna put this one there, add half onion, and I'm just gonna add a little bit water to make it easier. So you see how it comes. So you see I take a 1 pot and I'm gonna fry this onion to make as a fried onion. Just make sure we're gonna make it caramelized, but we're not gonna burn it. So I take out my onion. You see how the nice color came. I just put a little bit of sugar just to get more crispy. And after we're just gonna add with chicken this. So I take nearly a kilo chicken, which onion we fried. We're gonna add in there. And a 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Half cup of yogurt. So now I'm gonna mix it nicely by my hand, and I'm gonna keep this one in the fridge for 15 minutes just to get rest, just to get everything inside the chicken. I'm gonna use this in the same oil. I use the spice, I just grind it. So I'm just gonna cook it in there. I'm just gonna cover it for 3-4 minutes. You can see the oil is being separated from the spice, so now is a good time to put this marinated chicken. What do we just marinate here? There you go. So I'm gonna cover it just for 3-4 minutes. In here I forget to add 1 spoon of turmeric, so I add it here. Just gonna cook 3-4 minutes longer to blend it all together. Yeah, I just add a little bit of water just to stop the burning the spice. So now you're gonna cook this one in a medium-high heat and cook for 4-5 minutes. And in the meantime, you can add the salt. This recipe I'm following the first time. To be honest, I never cooked the chicken like that, but it looks actually nice. And the other thing is here, everything is cooking like so beautifully together. Here I'm just gonna add 1 more teaspoon of sugar, and you see it's like it's getting dry, so I'm gonna add some more water in there. And now I'm gonna cook it in a medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. So now I'm gonna add 1/3 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm gonna cook this one in a low heat until it's chicken cooked, but you always make sure sometimes you stir it, otherwise it could stuck on the bottom. And I don't want to add too much water in there because I am looking for gravy like this. If you see it get too dry, you can add some water, but I'm gonna keep as it is. So here you go, our chicken is ready. You see the color, how thick this sauce it is. So now we're just gonna serve and have a taste to see how it goes. So here we go, our final dish. Now we will see how it goes. It's nice, but I would give 7 out of 10 because I had chicken better than this before in my life. But it's good. If you guys like it, you can try this recipe. From now, we're gonna do this type of video a lot. We're gonna review the lots of viral recipe video, how it tastes, how it goes. So if you like this type of video, stick with my channel, please. Thank you. Thanks a lot.